You're going to have to excuse me. My throat's still very dry and very hoarse, and it does get difficult to talk the longer that I do talk. It's getting very raspy and sometimes painful. So, yeah, I might sound a little bit boring. So, today is day 2. I did a video at 3 o'clock this morning because I couldn't sleep and had nothing better to do. So I guess I'll start with the sleep. Didn't get really any. I got like 2.5 hours, and it was broken. I had, increments of like 15 minute, half an hour. The longest that I slept was an hour. And I didn't dream at all, and it was a very light sleep. When I woke up from it, I didn't realise that I was sleeping. It kind of just felt like I just closed my eyes for a second. So, but when I woke up in the morning to get ready for work, I was really awake and really alert. I felt like I had had a full night's sleep, but I hadn't. So it was good because I was hoping that I wouldn't feel drained and everything like that. So in the morning as well, getting ready, I felt very clammy, very hot and sweaty, and that only lasted maybe an hour. It kind of finished on my way to work, so that's good. What's the other thing? I think my focus is just getting worse and worse, to be honest. Throughout the day, I didn't have any symptoms like I had yesterday. I felt totally normal, like honestly, totally normal. The only difference is that I was awake and I wasn't yawning, same as yesterday. I was awake, I was alert, not tired. And with the hunger, it was a little bit different to what it was yesterday. Yesterday, I probably could have gone the whole day without eating if I had to, and it probably wouldn't have bothered me. But today, there's no way I could have. I had a kiwi fruit for breakfast. I didn't really need it, but I knew I had to put something in my stomach, so I did. That lasted me up until probably 10 o'clock, and I started to get hungry. So I had a hot chocolate, just a tiny cup like that big, and that actually filled me up. I felt full after having it. So then at about 1 o'clock I had lunch, and that was a salad roll with some roast pork in it, and it was about that big, so it was kind of like your 6-inch Subway rolls. But it was all fresh, and fresh salad, fresh meat, fresh roll. It was made like half an hour before I got it. So yeah, and that I wasn't. It didn't really fill me up. I was satisfied after it, but I didn't feel full. Coming into 1 o'clock though, into lunch, I was starving. I had horrible hunger pains. And yeah, I just had to eat something. So that brings us to now, and it's like almost 7 o'clock. And at the moment, I'm just sipping on a cup of soup. I'm not hungry, I'm just sipping on it. Even if I am hungry, all I need, like for this, I was a little bit hungry before I made it, so I made it, and I had like 2 tablespoons full, and now I'm satisfied. I don't have any hunger pains or anything like that. So I want to start and try to create new eating habits while I'm on Duromine. I'm going to take advantage of not being hungry all throughout the day. I'm only hungry at lunch and dinner, really. If the rest of the days will be like today, I'm only hungry at lunch and dinner. So yeah, I'm not going to starve myself. I'm not going to just say I don't feel hungry, so I'm not going to eat. I'm going to make sure I eat and create healthy new habits, smaller meals, and hopefully I can carry it on till after I finish Duromine, because I know if I just eat when I'm hungry and I don't try and create new habits, as soon as I come off it, whatever weight I will have lost would just come straight back on. So I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to do my best to prevent that from happening. That's really about it. I'm hoping I'll get some sleep tonight, and I'm hoping that my throat doesn't get any worse, because it's not very nice. That's probably the only negative thing that I've had today is my throat. Very hard to speak. So I'm going to go, and I'm not going to speak anymore, and you'll see me soon. Bye.